Businesses and other employers across the country are urgently looking for ways to reduce their healthcare costs. Many Americans are skeptical that Obamacare can deliver these savings. Fortunately, there is a free market, lower-cost alternative for health insurance that avoids many of the taxes, regulations, and mandates that many people fear will make Obamacare expensive and burdensome. This alternative is called self-insurance. What is self-insurance? It's just what it sounds like. Instead of purchasing an insurance policy, a company or other organization, such as a municipality, school district, or union, simply bears its healthcare costs directly. And to protect against a catastrophe and reduce their financial risk, they take out an insurance policy on the secondary insurance market called stop-loss coverage or reinsurance. Self-insurance allows companies to tailor their services for their employees, to not pay for what they don't want, don't need, and won't use. To get the best prices, self-insured companies use third-party or health plan administrators who negotiate volume purchasing and take care of billing and claims processing. So by self-insuring, companies are able to better manage their costs. Today, 61% of all employer-provided health care is through self-insured arrangements. Almost all large companies are self-insured, and many smaller companies are moving towards self-insurance. Companies that self-insure can avoid many of Obamacare's most worrisome regulatory requirements that experts predict will increase costs dramatically. That's right, companies that self-insure are exempt from Obamacare's most burdensome requirements. Properly implemented, self-insurance can help companies and their employees reduce healthcare costs by over 15%. Smaller employers with as few as 10 employees or less can also realize these benefits. Becoming self-insured is a straightforward process. Steps include conducting a savings analysis. Use your group's past claims experience to gather an estimate of how much self-insurance can reduce your costs. Selecting an administrator who will be responsible for processing your medical claims. Designing your plan. Identify benefits your plan will cover, and ensure that your administrator will allow you to use independent specialty providers such as radiology, physical therapy, disease management, which enable your plan to save 10 to 15% on healthcare costs. Selecting stop-loss reinsurance appropriate for your organization. If you or your employer are interested in learning more about the advantages and steps to become self-insured, contact one of these benefit consultants.